Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about where can you get the basic guide for your Bitget wallet into the Bitget application itself. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to get started with Bitget, you just simply have to open it, and after opening the Bitget wallet, you will get to see this four circled icon into the top left corner. Just simply tap into that icon, and after tapping in there, you will get this study section where you will find user guide. Tap into user guide and then you can easily get started with Bitget. You can choose between create a wallet, public blockchain, and token, and transfer and receive. Just simply select any of those options which you would like to learn. And from here you can easily learn about wallets and blockchain and transfer and receive and swap trading. Just simply select any of those options and read all the available articles, which includes visual representation of all of the things that you want to learn. And this way you can get started with Bitget Wallet. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.